Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back into my channel. In the video I'll play this amazing game in the modded one, so please stay with me until the end of this video and I will show you also the first part of the gameplay. Let's go guys! So today is so important for me because we played the first part of the gameplay. Also I'm starting a new series about different games. So you should try the full game right here. Perfect guys, here it is in the modded one. Tap right here. All you have to do is to tap right here. Again, if you're using Android, everything will be automatically. Now I have to do something that I will show you, but more important for me is to give a feedback, to say something about the gameplay or the way I will play it. So please say something, comment below, write in the chat box, whatever guys. Just give a feedback. If something is not going correctly, don't hesitate to comment below. Also, you can mail me and I will give you the right answer and solution back by mail. At 100% we will go at the settings. Okay guys, just wait a few seconds more. Okay, so after that we should go at the settings and you see this profile go right here. Tap it guys. All you have to do is to tap right here, as you see, next, tap again. And done, let's see guys. Okay, perfect, everything looks just fine, so now we can enjoy the first part of the gameplay in the modded one. Let's start now guys. Let's see if everything is okay and enjoy the first part of the gameplay in the modded one. Okay guys, it's starting now, everything looks just fine. This is the sign of mod menu, so you will get unlimited resources automatically activated, but if you want more, you will go at the mod menu. You will log in automatically, for example. Okay, you will log in automatically, so you have to do nothing, just to wait for loading. And you will see that I have unlimited resources, but if you want more, you have the sign of mod menu guys. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, perfect. As you see, you have unlimited resources, but if you want more, you should tap right here. Tap it guys to make some changes. As you see, if you want more or if you spend it, you can go at the mod menu. That's it my friends. Please don't forget to subscribe and give any like. See you next video. Bye bye boys and girls.